Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful hat for 3 to 4 years baby girl. In this pattern I am using worsted weight yarn, this type of yarn. This is the acrylic yarn. 4 color yarn I have used for this hat. This is the acrylic yarn. I am using 4 colors of yarns for this project. This is the dark color, maroon color, pink color, beige color, light pink and white color. If you want to make for a boy, then you change your color of yarns. You can use the blue, light blue and white color. Start from slip knot. And make 10 chains. This is the foundation chains. Nine, 10, and then you go to the second chain from your hook and make one half DC. You make one half DC in every stitch across. Then 2 chains, count is the first half DC and turn it and make one half DC in the each stitch back loop. This is the back loop of the very first stitch. You working on only back loops. You repeat the same pattern (15 to 20 times), and you make as per your size. This is the border part of the hat. This is the border of the hat, and you make the same pattern. I have completed my border part of the hat, and then I am joining it. You fold it and join together with single crochet or slip stitch. This is the back side of the hat, so you fold it, you turn it, sorry, and then you start from the working from the here. For first round you make 1 2 3 chain, count as a first double crochet, you go to the same stitch and make 2 more double crochet, then 1 chain, skip the next stitch and go to the next and make 3 DC in the same stitch. You repeat the same pattern in this round. I have completed my first round, and then here I have joined it with slip stitch, the beginning chain, and then start for the next is second round. For second round you go to the space and here you insert your hook, and make 1 single crochet and 2 more chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more double crochet and then 1 chain, and go to skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next space. Make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. I repeat this pattern in this round. Here I have joined it with slip stitch. For the next round you go to the space and so you make slip stitch. This is the very first space. Make 1 double crochet, you repeat the same pattern. To 16 lines or as per your required size, and you can change color of yarns in every 2 rows. Here I have made 2 rows of the dark pink, and after that 2 rows of the light pink, and this is the white color yarn I have used for 8 lines, and then Here I am in the last 4 to 5 lines. I have made single crochet, and after that I have sew it and attach one pom-pom. This is very simple pattern, you can make it easily. And thanks for watching.